Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate showdown between two titans of the coding world, PyCharm versus Visual Studio Code. As developers, choosing the right integrated development environment, IDE, can make or break our workflow. So, let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. First up, let's talk about PyCharm. Developed by JetBrains, PyCharm is a dedicated Python IDE loved by many developers for its robust features tailored specifically for Python development. PyCharm offers powerful code completion, intelligent error highlighting, and a plethora of plugins that enhance the development experience. Its integrated debugger makes debugging a breeze, and its seamless integration with version control systems, like Git, streamlines collaboration. Now, let's shift our focus to Visual Studio Code or VsCode created by Microsoft. It's an incredibly versatile IDE known for its lightweight design and extensive customization options. VsCode's built-in terminal allows developers to execute commands without leaving the IDE, and its vast library of extensions ranging from themes to language support enables developers to tailor their coding environment to their specific needs. Plus, IntelliSense provides intelligent code suggestions, making coding more efficient. So, which one is the best? Well, it ultimately comes down to personal preference and the specific needs of your project. If you're primarily working on Python projects and value a comprehensive set of tools tailored specifically for Python development, PyCharm might be the way to go. On the other hand, if you prefer a lightweight, highly customizable IDE with support for a wide range of languages and a vibrant community-driven ecosystem, Visual Studio Code could be your ideal choice. Whichever IDE you choose, both PyCharm and Visual Studio Code are fantastic tools that can elevate your coding experience. Be sure to try them out for yourself and see which one fits your workflow best. Thanks for watching.